Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use CryptoCoin. First, you will need to understand the fundamental concepts of digital currencies and blockchain technology. Next, select a reliable cryptocurrency exchange, like Coinbase or Binance, to create an account. Be prepared to complete a Know Your Customer verification process, which typically involves providing identification documents. This step is crucial for security and regulatory compliance, ensuring a safe entry into the crypto world. Once your account is set up, you can fund it using various methods, including bank transfers, debit cards, or even other payment services. After funding, you can easily purchase popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or many others available on the platform. For enhanced security, it is highly recommended to transfer your purchased assets from the exchange to a personal digital wallet, which could be a hardware or software wallet, giving you full control. With your crypto in a wallet, you can now send and receive payments directly to and from other individuals or businesses. Many online merchants and service providers are increasingly accepting cryptocurrencies as a form of payment. You can also delve into the exciting world of decentralized finance, or DeFi, to engage in activities like lending, borrowing, or staking your assets to earn rewards. Security is paramount in the crypto space. Always use very strong, unique passwords for all your accounts and enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. Be extremely cautious of phishing attempts, suspicious emails, or unsolicited messages that promise unrealistic returns. Finally, always back up your wallet's recovery phrase, often a 12 or 24-word seed, and store it securely offline. This ensures you can always regain access to your funds.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.